Welcome to the PLA 3.0 tutorial series, Working with Documents. In this video we will discuss the Navigator in PLA 3.0. We proceed in 3 steps. We first customize the Navigator's layout. We then discuss how to navigate efficiently. And we finally show you how to access commands on files and folders. For the purpose of this video, we have created a new database and will work with it using administrative permissions. We recommend to always use dedicated databases for testing purposes and keep them separate from production environments. The easiest way to create such a database is to use Express mode in the Database Connection Management Wizard. If you have no experience creating PLA databases, watch our tutorial on the topic. Documents in PLA are stored in a folder structure, which the Navigator displays in 2 views. The top view displays the folders in a tree-like structure. The bottom view displays content of the currently selected folder. Use the tree view to navigate the database, and the detail view to perform actions on database elements. If you prefer a layout similar to Microsoft File Explorer, click the toggle button in the toolbar of the Navigator. You can also maximize or minimize the Navigator. Or you can display it in a separate window. If you need to restore the original layout, select the Reset User Interface option from the Help menu. PLA restores the original layout after a restart. Each PLA database has a root folder that contains all other folders. To help you keep your content organized, PLA provides a wide range of navigation options and actions on folders and documents. All are available in the File menu and Context menus. Select a folder to display its contents in the Detail view. Double-click a folder in the Tree view to expand or collapse its contents. Right-click an element to access context-specific actions such as Move and Copy. Double-click a document or template to open it. You can create filters to improve navigation and only display the documents and folders you need. Various filter options are available in the toolbar of the Navigator. To filter based on document title or document key, for example, enter a filter criterion in the text box. Note: document keys are always unique within a database, while several documents may have the same title. The Navigator hides folders that do not contain matching documents. Click the Filter Settings button with the funnel icon to select predefined filters. You can combine text and predefined filters. Click Reset Filter Settings to remove all filters. The Navigator also allows you to organize documents, templates and folders. The actions available depend on the document or folder currently selected and on your permissions. Open the Context or File menu to see all available actions. The first 2 actions displayed in either one of the menus are New Document and New Folder. We now create a new folder under the root folder to hold our documents. Please consult the video Document Creation and Basic Concepts of this series for information on creating documents. In PLA you have 2 options to open documents. In addition to the standard option, you can open documents and templates with elevated permissions. In PLA, users can restrict access to individual elements contained in documents. Use the Open with Elevated Permissions option to bypass and edit access restrictions. The Copy and Move commands open a dialog that lets you specify the target folder. This applies to all selected documents, templates, and even folders. Here we select the newly created folder. Then click Start to confirm the dialog. The document has been copied to the specified target folder. You cannot move, copy, or delete documents, templates, or folders if any of the items affected by this operation are open or in use. PLA provides the following visual clues. When you open a document or template, a green dot is displayed on its icon in the Navigator. When another user opens a document or template, a red dot is displayed. You can move documents and folders across PLA databases using the export and import options. When you export documents and folders, they are stored in a file called document package. This file can be imported into another PLA database. Again, all affected documents, templates, and folders need to be closed. Enter a name for the document package and select the location where you want to save it. You can also enter a description of the package. Click Start to confirm the dialog. Now the folder Literature Examples has been stored at the specified location. Use the import feature in the Navigator to make the content of the package available in a database. Select the folder you created for this tutorial as the target for the import. The import feature of PLA 3.0 also allows you to import documents from PLA 2.0 and 2.1 databases. Click the ellipsis button to specify the document package to import. Select the package and start the document import. A dialog displays the progress and indicates the status of the import. The imported folder Literature Examples is now available in the folder you created for this tutorial. In this video, we have used the Navigator to organize content. The context menus provide additional commands, such as Create Report and Calculate, which you can apply to documents selected in the Navigator. Enjoy your first steps in PLA 3.0. If you want to know more about working with documents, please consult our videos on this topic and our help pages.